is an activity where balloons are sent in the air by letting go of them in the air or sending them along a string. Balloon droplets.
Explanation. Mas malaking lobo, mas maraming air resistance. Mas mabagal bumagsak. Mas maliit o kulang sa hangin na lobo, mas kaunting air resistance. Mas mabilis bumagsak. Parehong naapektuhan ng gravity, pero ang air resistance ang nagpapabago ng bilis ng pagbaksak.
Balloon boosters.